Hi friends, in the previous video, we got familiar with some of the core ideals or features of Python. Now, you might be wondering why you should use Python and what are the advantages of becoming a Python developer. Although this list is endless, but here are some of the major advantages of using Python. As you can witness in this comic strip, it is a widely accepted fact that Python is an easy to learn programming language. Compared to other programming languages, it has a gentle learning curve where you can jumpstart software development on day 1 and master the language over time as it has a low technical and conceptual overhead. This definitely makes Python an ideal language for beginners to learn programming. Python's simple and easy to learn syntax increases code readability and leads to fewer lines of code. This decreases the chances of making any error. A typical task, which requires an average of 20 lines of code in C and 7 lines in Java, can often be done with just a single line in Python. Python is developed under an open source initiative approved open source license. This makes the programming language completely free for personal or commercial use. The source code is available on GitHub where you can browse it and even go ahead and contribute to it. The Python programming language is portable and platform independent as it can work on any operating system, be it Microsoft Windows, macOS or Linux. Python has a rich and extensive standard library, which is a collection of predefined functions for various tasks. But the real power of Python lies in the vast ecosystem of more than 300,000 community contributed packages listed in the Python package index, where you can find a Python package to solve any conceivable task. Last but not the least, some of the most popular web development frameworks, Django, Flask, and others, are written in Python. This, coupled with the availability of packages to connect to any database, makes Python a great choice for web application development.